Why are we coughing? It's how we clear our airways.
You think it's random?
I trap dust and germs with mucus.
And coughing helps push them out. When the lungs are irritated, a protective reflex is triggered, leading to a cough that expels the irritant. But smoke, dry air, and infections make me work overtime.
Hydrate. Rest. Protect me.